Morning class. So up to chapter 18 of GK we have discussed, is it? Now there is a one chapter, paper 1 in your book, page number 26 you come. Okay, page number 26. There, related with all before chapters from 1 to 18, some questions are given here. Okay, it's a kind of revision, okay, about this chapter. So what we are going to do is that today this question answer we'll discuss. Okay, so let us start from the beginning. First one, we have to tick the correct option. Clear? First is that which instrument is popular in Russia? Balalaika, talking drums, or junjun. The first one only the answer, balalaika. So tick down there. This all except D, all you will write in the book only. Okay, when you will get back your copy, that time you just write those on the copy. Clear? The first one, I'm not writing the answers. Only the options I'm giving here. So A, it will be balalaika. Clear? Okay, so first one balalaika done. The next one, where do Hindus go to worship? It will be temple. We have discussed this all before. So it is temple. Number 3, which is the highest dam in India? It is Tehri Dam. It is Tehri Dam. Okay. Number 4, which tree is mainly used in making furniture and doors? That is teak tree. So number C. This is exercise A we are discussing. Where is Wankhede Stadium located? It is in Mumbai. So 5, Mumbai. So what you will do, you just tick this one in your book. Okay, spaces are given already. B number, what to do? Fill in the blanks with the proper answers. The dash is the national tree of India. We know, banyan tree. So B number, B1 will be banyan tree. Number 2 is that the original style that Bruce Lee learned is Wing Chun. Is Wing Chun. Here is Wing Chun. Number 3, the Tehri Dam is located on the Bhagirathi river in Uttarakhand. Okay, so Bhagirathi I am writing here. Bhagirathi river. Bhagirathi river in Uttarakhand. Akbar the Great belonged to the Mughal dynasty. Which dynasty? Mughal dynasty. Clear? Now this one I am rubbing. Hopefully you have ticked all those. This is banyan tree. Okay. Now here I am writing B5 up. B5, what is that? That is invented the polio vaccine. Who has invented? Dr. Jonas Salk. That will write Dr. Jonas Salk. He has invented the polio vaccine. Clear? Now the true false, that also you will write in your book only. Fill in the blanks also and true false also. So C number, let's see what is that. First one, we should always talk politely over the telephone. Telephone etiquette, that chapter first only we have discussed. So it is true only. So C1 is true. C2, plastics are man-made materials. It is true only. Number 3, an autobiography is the real life story of a person written by someone else. No, biography is written by someone else. Autobiography is written by that particular person only. So it is false. Okay. Number 4 is that Kanishk belonged to the Mughal dynasty. It's wrong. It's Kushan dynasty and it will be false then. Mughal dynasty, first only we have done. Akbar, he belongs to the Mughal dynasty. Number 5, that the woolly mammoths were prehistoric ancestor of elephants. This is true only. So number 5 is true. So up to this you have to write in your book only. D number question answers are there. Okay, so that you will write in your copy. When was the United, I am just discussing that you will write down in your copy. Clear? When was the United Nations founded? We know that after the Second World War, 1945. What is Rabba? Rabba is the oldest string musical instrument. Is it string musical instrument of India, of the world, and it will get various types of Rabba, especially in Asia and Africa. These two places it belong to. Novel, we know what is a novel, from there only we'll write. It's a long type of short stories and all. What do you know about saber-toothed tigers? What is that actually? They are fierce hunters like the present tigers. They are also the fierce tigers like the present tigers. Okay. After that, what do you know about rubella? Rubella, we know that it is another name of germ of measles. Is it measles or not? So these 5 questions are very easy. If you are not able to write, just search the chapters. If you have gone through the chapters properly, these questions are easy for you. Easily you can write this one on the copy. Okay. So just revise this one and try to do the answers. Okay. So up to this, just revise. Till then, thank you class.